this picture, and I thought it was welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a creative look, of course, as you can see. So this look was requested by my subscriber Shanika Porter. She was also my college classmate, and she sent me this picture, and I was absolutely in love with it. And look at it, it came out gorgeous, if I should say so myself. But guys, this look was very tedious to do. It wasn't a walk in the park at all, boo boo, let me tell you. So without further ado, let's get straight into this tutorial. To start off this look, I'll be using my e.l.f. crease brush and my Wahala palette. If you've missed my review on the Wahala palette by Juvia's Place, make sure you check it out. It will be up in the iCard. Guys, as you can see, I already done my brows. If you want to see a tutorial on how I do that, then definitely check the iCard as well. I'll leave my brow tutorial there. So now I'm packing on the blue shade from the Wahala palette, and you want to take your time when packing on shade because you don't want to pack on too much and then it just look a hot mess like when you're ready to blend it out. So you pick up a little at a time and pack and pack and pack till you get the color that you desire, then you start to blend. Now I'm going in with It's My Ray blending brush with BH Cosmetic collaboration, and I'll be blending this pale purple shade from the Wahala palette. What I'm doing with the purple shade is just to blow out and soften up the outer edge of the crease and blend the colors together nicely. So all I'm doing right here is making the shape like of the butterfly wings, pretty much. Here I happen to carve that ish out perfectly, like the perfect wing shape, and your girl was feeling herself. So yeah, let's have some appreciation right here. Next, I'm going in with my Juvia's Place concealer and my Sigma F70 brush to cut the crease. You don't know what this is. The hardest part or the part that takes up the most time. In my last video I mentioned about the Vaseline process, guys. I totally forget it this time, but if you have some Vaseline, you want to carve out your cut crease with the Vaseline, then you go in with the concealer. Because I didn't do that, I went in with a wipes after I cut my crease and wipe off the blue shade on the lid, so I have a cleaner surface to work with. As you can see, I'm using the dot method, so I just created some dots, and then you want to just connect the dots and make sure you're carving the crease as neatly as possible. Life make me feel so lucky, it's so great to have you in my life. Make me feel so lucky, 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 feel so now I'm using my e.l.f. concealer brush, and I'll be packing on some neon green in the inner corner. I'm using this brush because it has a pointed end and it's going to catch at the top of the cut crease, so you guys don't see like a little white line at the top because it's not filled in. And then after, I'm going to go in with a bigger fluffier brush to pack on the shade. This brush is also from e.l.f. and it's their eyeshadow brush. Now I'll be going in with this neon pink shade right beside the green and on top of the green. I said on top of the green because you want to get this gradient effect, so you're going to blend the green and the pink together so you don't see this line of demarcation.
You gotta notice, hey, I'm falling in love. You're feeling something, hey, you cannot control. You're sometimes you came and you changed all my perspective.
Now I'm going in with It's My Riri eyeshadow brush, and I'll be using that to pat the purple color on the outer corner of the eye. As you can see, I'll be using a purple neon shade.
Yes, sometimes you came, and I love it, I love it. It's so great to have you in my life, make me feel so lucky, feel so lucky.
Now is the time for the tricky part and the hardest freaking part, especially when you have an eyeliner that literally sucks. So I'm using this eyeliner to carve out the outline of the wing, and you want to start where the pink shade starts and then bring it all around, just matching the shape of the wings pretty much. We're now going to go in with a smaller, more detailed brush, and you're going to add some white dots along the black outline. So I'm using the NYX white base to do this, and I'm using a brush from MAC. Now I'm going in with some big rhinestone, and I'll just be adding it to the tip of the wing at the bottom and at the top, and I'll be using a NYX glitter primer.
It's so great to have you in my life, make me feel so lucky, 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 feel.
So this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys enjoyed, and until my next video guys, one love.